you can manifest easier than ever before with clearing and healing. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, I began to do some deep soul searching sometime around the first of the year. And in this soul searching, I wanted to understand why it was becoming so easy for me to manifest the things that I desire. I mean, I have been manifesting for years, but it's becoming easier and easier and easier. And I realized that what I desire, whatever my intention is, and wherever I'm at, there's no resistance between me and that intention. I used to have resistance. I used to have thoughts like, well, what if it doesn't work? What if I'm not good enough? What if I'm too young? What if I'm too old? You know, all those kinds of negative thoughts that tend to come in your mind. What if it will take too long? What if I don't make money at it? What if I make too much money at it? Whatever it is. And now I just simply say to Rachel, hey, let's go down and get a new car. We do it. And I mean, we don't even talk about it in advance. We just get in the car and go down and buy a new Cadillac, you know, and that's how we do things. And it doesn't mean that we are living frivolously. It just means that things are coming easier and easier. And I realized that part of the reason is that I don't have the resistance. I don't have the fears. I don't have the doubts that I used to have. And I used to have these fears and doubts, and I used to take them out on myself, and I took them out on other people as well. And so by constantly working to clear myself of these limiting beliefs, of doubts and fears, anxiety, all of that kind of stuff, manifesting is just so much easier. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. And so that's why I'm making this video to invite you to join us on the full moon for clearing and healing work. We do about 40 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. And it's custom every single month. And you join us with other people. You're sitting in the comfort of your own home, watching on your laptop or your iPhone or whatever device you're using. And we are coming to you in your home on the day of the full moon. And we are sharing with you usually 2 or 3 or 4 various techniques designed to help you clear negative energy and fill yourself with positive energy. Fill yourself with light. Fill yourself with wonder. Fill yourself with miracle powers. Fill yourself with God force energy. So, this short video is a personal invitation. There's no cost. It's free. We do it every month. It's our way of sharing with you and giving back to the community. You have done so much for us by supporting us on iTunes, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, and our books that we have on Amazon and Barnes & Noble and places like that. You've done so much for us. This is the very least we can do for you. So join us on the full moon. Simply type in clearing, www.clearingandhealing.com. Clearingandhealing.com. You register. We'll send you a few reminders. We give you different times because we know that people around the world are in different time zones, and you register for the time zone you're interested in. And there we go. We're right there for you. Okay? We'll be there on the full moon. We hope to see you. clearingandhealing.com. Bye-bye.